Hey everyone, welcome back to U.S. Immigration, your go-to source for clear, accurate U.S. immigration updates. If you're a green card holder, also known as a lawful permanent resident or LPR, congratulations on achieving this milestone. But immigration rules evolve, and heading into 2026, there are some key changes from USCIS and the Department of Homeland Security that every green card holder needs to know. These aren't about fear, they're about staying compliant and protecting the status you've worked hard for. We'll cover the top 5 updates based on official announcements as of late 2025. We'll explain what they mean for you, why they matter, and practical tips. Let's dive in. Rule 1. Stricter enforcement of alien registration requirements. The government is ramping up enforcement of the long-standing requirement for certain non-citizens, including some green card holders, to register their address and updates with USCIS. Under Executive Order 14159 issued in January 2025, DHS is prioritizing compliance with Section 262 of the Immigration and Nationality Act. This applies if you're a green card holder age 14 or older who hasn't yet completed full registration. Most modern green card holders are exempt because fingerprinting during adjustment covers it. But if you got your green card many years ago or fall into specific categories, you may need to confirm or update your registration. Why now? The focus is on better tracking for public safety and immigration integrity. What to do? Check your status on USCIS.gov. Most LPRs are already compliant, but if in doubt, file Form AR 11 for address changes within 10 days of moving. It's quick and online. Rule 2. And of automatic 540-day extensions for certain work permits. If you or a family member renewing a work permit, Form I-765, relies on automatic extensions while waiting for USCIS approval, listen up. As of October 30th, 2025, DHS ended the automatic extension beyond the card's expiration for most categories, with limited exceptions like TPS. Previously, you could get up to 540 days of extra work authorization automatically. Now, renewals must be processed before expiration to avoid gaps. This affects green card holders who might have pending extensions or family members on EADs. More frequent vetting means delays could leave you without work authorization. Tip: file renewals at least 6 to 8 months early. Track your case online. This change aims to enhance security checks. Plan ahead to keep working legally. Rule 3. Updates to the Naturalization civics test starting in 2026. Thinking about applying for U.S. citizenship in 2026? USCIS is implementing the 2025 Naturalization civics test, with modifications from the 2020 version. It's designed to emphasize American history, principles, and civic values. The test will have some adjustments for fairness, but expect a focus on assimilation and attachment to U.S. laws and the Constitution. Good news. Guidance clarifies that your original green card admission is what counts for lawful permanent residence, not every reentry. Why it matters. Over 9 million green card holders are eligible to naturalize. Preparing early with official study materials will make the process smoother. Pro tip: use the free USCIS resources practice tests are available now. Rule 4. Increase enforcement and notices to appear. USCIS has resumed broader use of notices to appear that's a document starting deportation proceedings. Since early 2025, they've issued over 172,000 NTAs, removing exemptions for certain categories. This means if there's any issue with your status, criminal history, or even minor violations, it could trigger review. For green card holders, abandoning residency, staying abroad too long, or certain crimes have always risk status, but enforcement is heightened. Stay safe. Maintain ties to U.S. home, taxes, family. File taxes even if abroad, and consult an attorney if you have concerns. Travel with proof of residency for long trips. The goal is integrity in the system. Knowing the rules keeps you protected. Rule 5. Potential impacts from broader policy shifts, social media, and public charge monitoring. Finally, while not a brand new rule just for green card holders, ongoing changes include expanded social media screening for adjustments, naturalization, and even status maintenance. DHS is reviewing public online activity more closely for anything indicating risks. Also, watch for any reinstated public charge rules that could affect future applications, though currently limited. Practical advice: keep your social media professional and positive. If sponsoring family or applying for benefits, document self-sufficiency. These tie into overall efforts to ensure compliance. There you have it, the 5 key updates for green card holders heading into 2026. Knowledge is power, so stay updated via official channels like USCIS.gov. Always consult a qualified immigration attorney or accredited representative for personal advice. This video is informational only. If this was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates. Drop a comment. What's your biggest immigration question right now? See you next time.